As Japanese maples leaf out, many of the late reportings advance to the level of emergency. And even though this wonderful Arakawa Japanese maple is due, this is not the subject of this video, but rather a future one. Today I will report this forest, even though it's rainy. I will start by removing guy wires set 1 year ago to keep some trunks in place during the last growing season. To be honest, I'm actually disappointed by the amount of roots this forest made in one season. Last year the root system was dense and strong everywhere, but that was a 2 year root system. This is just 1 year since the previous reporting. Maybe it's because I didn't place moss to protect the root ball during the summer, or maybe it's because I left it in full sun all summer, but I was expecting these many trees in such a small pot to have densely colonized every part of it. So I don't think I will be placing moss this year either, even though moss has already found its way into the forest. But I will leave the tree for 2 years to grow a dense root system and start ramifying the trees with shorter internodes and smaller leaves. All of these trees come from seed from a Sangokaku Japanese maple I have in the garden, and I intentionally chosen trees that do not produce profoundly red twigs during winter. Although I included some trees in the forest that make yellowish bark for some variety. Having the dream of one day watching this whole root system as one solid plateau of wood, I won't touch the inside of the root ball ever again. But I will correct some roots here and there, like this one that has been bothering me for more than a year now. I added a little bit of organic matter in my mix because with so many trees crowded, a bit more moisture will be beneficial. I really like the placement of the trunks in the whole composition, but I still need to change some of the direction going up. So I will take the advantage of the forest being leafless to do some wiring and add some guide wire to move one of the thicker trunks. Most of the branches you see now will be removed in May or June. I will start building the overall canopy fresh from a few chosen ones and some new ones. Thank you for your time.